Want to upload your own images to Lovable AI for your project? Here's a quick and easy step-by-step guide to do it in seconds. First, open Lovable AI and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, select the project or workspace where you want to upload your image. Click the Upload or Add Media button. You usually find it in Image or Assets section. Then choose Upload Image from the menu. A file window will open. Now select the image from your computer or drag and drop it directly into the upload area. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the Assets library or directly inside your project. You can now resize, move, or apply it anywhere in your Lovable AI design. And that's how you easily upload images to Lovable AI. Quick, simple, and perfect for your next AI app or project.